Welcome back to the second part of this tutorial. I'm going to exit out, and what I'm going to do is we just double click on anywhere, and I intend to enter the following variables there. And one other thing is I've actually changed the name of these to CBO instead of CMD. That sounds like command. So let me come right here on the reset. I'm going to change this one to CBO. Yep, and this one as well. The other one and this there. Okay, and inside the text box, I'm just going to enter make a selection. Right. Let's repeat the same thing for the other three. Yep, that is fine. Then one other thing is txt time. I'm going to, that's the text, I'm going to enter time right there. Yeah. Okay, so if I run it, this is what I like the system to look like. Or let's exit out first. Oh, that's on reset. That's wrong. Copy this. I'm going to need all of these inside form initialize. Okay, double click. Let's come to form initialize and paste that in there. So let's run it and see. Okay, or initialize. That's not form initialize. That's form click. Cut that off. Let's initialize it. Form initialize. Right. I want these to appear. So you see that, guys, but there's nothing in there. The time is showing though, which is that's fine. Okay. That's okay for now. It's around 1 a.m. or almost 2 a.m. in the morning. Okay, the next thing I like to do is to enter some data in there. So let's come into form initialize again, title, and this one is going to be, let's copy that, paste that in there, dot add, and the first data we'll add will be Mr. Let's put a dot in there, and so on. Copy. So let's say we have what else after that? Yeah, there's something I miss. Okay, maybe we might have Reverend Father. What about captain? Captain. There. Okay. Now let's repeat the same thing for this very one here. Let's copy this. Cut this off. Paste it here. And that would be for the next one. So I'm going to copy this, paste this in here, and just add doc to it. So that is for the doctor part of it. A doctor can also be a reverend, just like in the army. Alright, now gender. Gender, male or female. Dot add female or male. Yeah. The next one is going to be male or female. Right there. There we go. And selection, that is going to be yes or no. Is this selected? Yeah, yes or no. No, confirm registration or appointment, something like that. So that's going to be yes or no. next one is no. Copy, paste. No. Right. Okay, that's fine. So if I run it now, this is what we see. We can carry out whatever selection we want in there. Okay. Alright, so that's fine. Just need to increase the font size. Now the next thing I would like to do is, maybe I should take care of these dates first. Yeah, let's take care of the calendar. In the case of the calendar, we're going to have to write a function. So let's place the function underneath there. That is the function, but just because it's a lot of code, so I have to speed that up. So have a good look at the function itself. Okay, now the next thing is to call this very function here inside initialize. Okay, let's come there. And right there, guys, right there. So that is where I call my function. Alright, there's one more thing. I've already called this. Okay, this is for date and this is going to be for the random numbers. You have a good look at it. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, those are the lines of code for the function. Okay, what else do we have to do? Okay, let's run it and see how it looks like. Click on that. There we go. You see the calendar. But the thing is, when I click on this calendar, I would like it to, the dates to actually show here. Okay, this is today's date, 28 December 2018. I just want to be able to click and see that in here. And again, I need to increase these fonts. Before I forget, let me select them all and see if I can do it. No, I can't. I have to do it individually. Let's go back in here. And where is the fonts? Maybe make that about 12. Make that 12 bold, and repeat the same thing for this one. Font, bold as well. And here 12 bold. There is something I left out, but before that, let's double click on this and enter the following. That will be, that's meant to be it for the date. tst date dot text equals d1 dot control type text. Yeah, that's it. So when I run that now, this is what you guys will see. If I click on this, that will display the date here. So let's do that. Look, you see that. So that's what I want to be able to achieve for the rest of the buttons. Okay, this one is fine. Make a selection. There we go. Look at that. That's fine. But one thing is the title. There's doctor missing. Supposing we have a doctor in the house. Okay, I'm gonna take care of that now before I forget. So let's come down here, and here we need a doctor. That's it, we have a doctor. Now we also need a doctor here. Right, that's fine. Okay, what else do I need to do? here, and I need to take care of this. Double click on this, and that will be txt date dot text equals d2 dot control tip text. There we go. So I'm going to have to do it for the rest 40 buttons, so I might as well just speed that up. Okay guys, I've just finished with the coding for each of those buttons. It's exactly the same line of code apart from the different button names. Okay, let's run it and see. Now let's select 28. There we go. Maybe 29. Select whatever date. Okay, that's fine. It's working the way I want. Okay. Yeah, that works too. But I need it to be able to generate random numbers here. Okay. So when I run it, random numbers are being generated here. When I click on this, I expect it to regenerate the random number. So let's come back in here, double click on that, go to form initialize. There we go. Those are the random number. I'm going to copy that and double click on this and just paste it somewhere there. Let's repeat the same thing for this very one here. That is patient. Here, patient ID. Double click on the patient ID and then change this to patient ID. Let's see the full spelling there. Okay. Alright, patient ID. That's fine. There. And here maybe we can just change this around. And this can start from there. Okay, so that is inside there. Let's copy it and paste it on the initialize form as well. There we go. Run that now and see. Okay, we have that in there and we have this there, so that is fine. We are almost there now. Alright, the next thing is to be able to use this button to add all of this data onto the form. Okay, reset is fine and this is exit is working. Alright,